Okay, come. So today, unfortunately, we still have to do one more last part of the paper. All right, because again, that time we predicted that some of the schools, right, very slow. Some of them might even have exams this week in November. Yeah. So actually, I got some students, right, because their school is new. So when their school is new, right, they do not have the PSLE and all this. Right. So what happened is that the paper, right, the end of year exam paper for the rest of the students got stretched into November. All right, so this is like the first week of November already. All right, so let's continue. Let's continue to go through all these questions. Later we have a bit of Kahoot. Will be easy, I promise you. All right, so today for those who have finished your exam, take it very lightly, chill. All right, just learn something along the way. Attend the class. I'll try to entertain you as much as possible. All right, but for those who haven't had your exam, all right, please, you still need to focus. Can we play booklet, please? Sorry, for 88 tuition, right, all the questions down here for math, right, is actually put on Kahoot. All right, so thank you, Raj, for your feedback. I will let the team know. Maybe next year we can come up with some booklet questions, some Kahoot. All right, so we can have a mix. All right, thank you, Raj, for your feedback. All right, so come, let's continue with today's worksheet. All right, so very nice again, very nice again. Some of you, the exam over already, but I still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa! 8 students participated in the worksheet. Wow, very good, children. All right, some of you, the attitude is very good. Seriously, very good. All right. Because usually exam over already. Do what? No, some of you still want to practice a little bit. All right, that is a very strong attitude. All right, and this attitude will bring you very good scores in primary 5. I guarantee that. Can? All right. Okay, come, children. Let's go into this question. All right. Yes, Xander, I saw your worksheet. I saw your work. Thank you so much for your submission. All right. Thank you, Zoe. Thank you, Kat. Thank you, Darius. Thank you, Jasmine, Olivia, and Raj, and Shafi. All right, come on, let's go. Find the value of 1 minus half minus 1 over 6. Oh, yeah. Last week I wasn't in class. I'm so sorry. Yeah, because it's my birthday. So I went for a birthday holiday. Yes. That's the reason why I'm not in class. All right, but today is not my birthday anymore. So sad. All right, that's why I'm back. Okay, no, it's not that. All right, it's just that I love teaching you guys. All right, your positive attitude. Love it. Okay, come. So what is 1 minus half minus 1 over 6? Sometimes, right, you can even draw a model to assist you or a circle. All right, so this is like one whole. However, you got two fractions down here. One of them is over 2, one of them is over 6. So what do? You have to try to make things fair, you see. So you purposely try to make the over 2 into over 6. How? There's something called equivalent fraction. If you times 3 to the denominator, you times 3 to the numerator. That's called fairness. So looking at this one whole, right, you can actually cut into what? 6 equal parts. So you go hakacha, hakacha, and hakacha. You see? Nice. Yeah. So the blue color is the one whole minus what? Minus 3 over 6. 1, 2, 3. And then minus the 1 over 6 down here. All right. Eventually, how much are you left with? You are left with this 2 green color portion, which is actually 2 out of the 6 equal parts. Can you see that? But please do not write 2 over 6. That's the wrong answer. You have to reduce to the lowest term. But the question never say. Nope. No argument. All right. In Singapore MOE standard, right, you have to reduce to the lowest term. No excuses, children. All right. You cannot argue one. But no. Full stop. Right. Seriously, no argument. Very strict. Can? All right. Some of you say that, hey, this drawing, right, I like, but I did other methods like this. 1 minus half. Can, no problem. All right, and I use my mental sum. 1 minus half is just a half. Then you need to continue, right? Half minus 1 over 6. Down here is the problem, right? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Remember, if you plus or minus, your denominator has to be the same. So similarly, down here you times 3, on top you times 3. Right, that's called equivalent fraction. You get 3 over 6 minus 1 over 6. All right. And your denominator is the same already. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes, I am. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. But wait. That's not the final answer. You must reduce to the lowest term. Answer is 1 over 3. So children, there's many ways of doing it. You can imagine it as a diagram, or you can do it step by step like this. No problem. All right. Just use a comfortable method so that you can score. All right. So they can get the marks. Can? Oh, I'm not traveling. I'm in Singapore. Yeah. This year I'm a bit poor, so I'm not going to travel. Actually, I was planning a trip to Malaysia, JB. All right. There's this shopping mall called the what? Mid Valley. Is it St. Giles? St. Giles down there. All right. There's this hotel, quite nice one. Correct. But eventually, my niece got fever during that day when we are supposed to travel, so we cancel everything. So we cancel the hotel, we cancel the vehicle also. Yeah, really, man. Yeah, I was supposed to travel over last week lah. Yeah, but because she's sick, so we didn't go. Wow, some of you going Beijing ah. Wow, nice. One night in Beijing, I live my okay, sorry. There was a song called that lah. One night in Beijing ah. Just to let you know. Okay, never mind. Okay, so down here, question 1 is done. Question 2 is about angles. All right, angles. So angles, right? You all know, right? The corners, right? The corners always, right? Always are perpendicular. So they are always made up of the 90 degrees. Oh, got such word, 90 degrees. So this whole thing is 90 degrees. So what's the question asking for? Question is asking for find TQU. TQU, or down here, angle green. So angle green plus 25 plus 18 must give you the 90. Oh my goodness. So easy, right? Woo! All right. So you take what? You take 25 plus 18 first. All right. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, 2, 3, 4. 43 degrees. So 43 degrees is given. This is given to you. All right. You're looking for angle green. How do you find angle green? You take 90 degrees minus the 43. Oh my goodness. Such easy question. It came out for my exam. Good for you. All right. When it come out for your exam, I must say thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. All right. Answer is 47 degrees. All right. So remember, children. Remember what's the meaning of perpendicular line? All right. I always use the corner of my ruler to draw a perpendicular line. All right. So this part is always 90. All right. The corner of my ruler is 90. Jasmine, I saw your answer. Very good. Oh, Shafi, welcome. All right. Just now, I think that your parents messaged me because the link wasn't given to you, right? Yeah. I'm glad you're in class. Good job. All right. So, sorry, how come got one Cheeky? Who is Cheeky? So funny. You got funny names. Who is Cheeky? Oh, you. Okay. Is that Toby? Cheeky. Okay, can. All right, because some of you got funny names, then I later mark attendance mark wrongly. All right, children, also just to let you know, right? Just to let you know that next week, right, there will still be lessons, all right, for those who wants to continue the post-exam activity. All right, so the next 2 lessons, right, just to let you know, the next 2 lessons, you are P4, right? So I'm teaching the P5 also. All right, so I'm teaching the P5 for next year, just to let you know. All right, so for the next 2 lessons, we'll be doing something called logic and reasoning. All right, it's supposed to be a fun activity. Only use your brain cell. Get wrong is okay. It's just to have fun. All right, but it's ultimately to have some logical thinking activities. All right, which is quite fun. All right, after the 2 lessons of logic and reasoning, right, then we'll be going into Primary 5 work. Yeah, we'll be doing some practice on some of the Primary 5 more popular kind of questions. Problem sums, yes. All right, very, very kiasu, I tell you, right? For me, I very kiasu. Why? Because Primary 5, right, everything is about problem sum. The entire paper, let me tell you, about 80% is all about problem sum. Yes. So you better love problem sum. All right, you must really love it deep. Understand or not? Okay? All right. Oh, yeah. Some of you are stopping lesson. That's perfectly okay. Go and have a rest. Some of you are going to Beijing, right? One night in Beijing. Okay, yeah. So some of you are going holidays and all this. Go and have a fun time. Go and have a good time, children. All right. But some of you who are staying, right, we'll be having fun time in Singapore also. All right. All right. So eventually it will be fun. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. Next week we'll be starting the post-exam activities ready. Okay, come. That is for question 2. Done. Question 3. The graph shows the number of steps Alice walked from day 1 to day 4. How many steps did Alice walk all together in the 4 days? Do you all know that you all have this watch thing, right? Some of you got this watch things, then you wear it, then it counts the number of steps that you take. Right. Then when it counts the number of steps that you take, right, then it's like you can go and exchange for like popular voucher or some NTUC voucher because you exercise, right? Yeah, so very fun, very nice. All right. Ultimately, it's to encourage you guys to exercise a little bit. Okay, that's good. You walk 10,000 steps a day. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's incredible. Wow. You guys are really young and energetic. All right. For me, I think I walk less than 100 steps. Because I always sit at my desk. Then my toilet is down here only. So I take 10 steps to the toilet and 10 steps back. Then sometimes I eat in front of the computer screen. Right. So yeah, I think my steps are 100 steps only. Yeah, that's why I always fat one. Yeah, you cannot see my bottom part, right? But it's fat one. Right. But again, that's not important. That's not important, right? Right. I still look good, right? The top part still look handsome, right? Okay, never mind. So the graph shows the number of steps that Alice walked from day 1 to day 4. So this is day 1. Day 1 is what? Pointing to 2,000 steps, right? So usually I'll write in the numbers. Day 2 is between 1,000 and 2,000. That will be 1,500. Day 3 will be pointing to the 5,000 steps. And day 4 will be pointing to the 4,000 steps. So they are looking for what? All together. You and me together. So you just add this number of steps together. All right. And your answer will come out already. All right. For this question, all of you. Oh, yeah? Naughty, Xander, you calculated wrongly, is it? My goodness. The who also? Who is this? Cat. Cat, are you there? Yes, you calculated wrongly also. Olivia! Hiya! I see your worksheet, I want to cry, man. All right, yes, Cat, your answer is correct. All right. So some of you, right, got copy error. You see the answer as 12500, you write 1250 only. Can you see not? So children, right, do some estimation. Right, do some estimation. How can your answer be 1,250, but on what? On a day 3 of 5,000? How can that be? 5,000 is definitely more than 1,250, what? So something is wrong already. Yes, Jasmine, correct. Your answer is correct. 12,500. Yes, Xander, you typed wrongly. Still there to say. All right, because of all this careless mistake, we'll be eating your marks away again. So Xander, please be super careful in future. Can? Right, don't give away such marks. All right, your teacher is trying to take your marks away and you still willingly say, sure, give you the marks. Don't do that. All right, you're supposed to protect your marks. Can? And all these questions are easy, means that you can score one. All right, you're supposed to get this correct. Can? All right, easy question like this. Let's move on. Oh, next question. All right, next question. Next question. I think most of you got this right. Very easy. All right, Candy. All right, so Candy, beside appearing in a sweet shop. Candy sweet. Okay, never mind. Always talking to myself, always laughing to myself. Look at Candice. Right, she must be thinking, this person, the head got problem. You see, she's pointing to the head. This person, you see, mental. All right, yeah, I think so. Okay, anyway, come. Candy was walking out of a maze at a fun fair. Oh, she started from point A. Where's point A? Down here. She walked 3 steps to the north. North means what? North, south, east, west. Usually I'll write this. All right, so she will take 3 steps to the north. 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps. She's down here. Then she take 2 steps to the east. East is towards the right. 1 step, 2 step towards the right. She continued 5 steps to the south. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step. Then she take 1 step to the east. 1 step, which is the exit point. All right, the exit is what? The exit stands for what? E what? E for what? E for exit, right? Yeah, you make an intelligent guess. Answer is a E lah. No, it's not. It's just a coincidence, children. It's just a coincidence. All right. All right, so it's not because of E, that's why it's E. It's down here. This is the